sense. Do you know what the other part of her thing is?
What does it look like?
It looks like a USB charger.
No, I don't.
For your face, see it?
Why are you talking to me like that?
Yeah.
What? Say I'm a stupid arsehole.
You take your shoes upstairs, please.
Well, don't talk to me like that.
Pardon me?
Don't talk to me like that. Don't come in
Can you
here.
take your shoes upstairs, please?
When I'm ready. Do not put your shoes on things. You stop doing that a minute. Why?
Please.
Stop doing it. You stop doing that, please.
There's a fish.
You get out as well.
In the front room. Go get dressed. I want to get
You're a horrible person.
Good.
What?
Good.
Good. She is.
Get in the front room. No, she's not.
She is. She's
Go
horrible.
upstairs. I am. I'm a bitch. This is nasty Tracy now. She's surface.
Never.
Casting sugar.
They make it fun mix of anger. Get off me, Lou. Don't touch me. Don't ever touch me. Get off me. Get it off me. Stop hitting me. You are. No. What? Why are you doing this?
Because I got clean up.
Why?
Because I got in the shower. No one needs to, right?
How am I doing shit? You watch my foot. I take a spice out and my fucking 2 days. You went to me yesterday, but you didn't come to all that. Oh, shut up.
Speak up.
Let's get it. Look, watch my foot, will you?
Speak up.
I'm telling her again 3 times though.
Will you speak up then?
He keeps hitting me on the foot. Look at
Hold this foot down.
Please touch into my foot.
Did your foot, Chris? You put your foot down.
No, I didn't.
You did?
You slammed that hoover into
Oh,
me.
if you had your foot cut off, you wouldn't be there then.
What?
You wouldn't be there then if you had your
It's
foot
very
off.
sensitive, isn't it?
It's not insensitive.
Yes, it is.
You need to wind up and stop people feeling sorry for
I'm not feeling sorry for myself.
Post-traumatic stress, my ass.
You're a horrible person.
Social skills problem, that's what's wrong with you.
No, you're just a horrible person. That's what's the matter with you.
Shut up, Chris. I'm not a horrible person.
You are the most horrible person.
You've just pushed me right to the limit.
What have I done?
You fucking stand back.
Oh my god.
You are. That's why you associate Bob as your best friend.
Bob is my best friend.
So, yeah, because he keeps you drunk. Asshole.
Yeah, enjoying myself. I'm an arsehole. I'm an arsehole because I hang around with Bob.
You are an asshole, yeah.
Because I hang around with Bob.
Yeah. And like so Chris Owens and everybody else thinks so hard.
No, I don't.
You're following me, Chris. You can't believe it.
Everybody, nobody likes you. They don't have friends like you.
Oh.
They have family like you.
Oh. What's your friends
Oh, God. What? Do you ever shut up? What are you bitching about now? What is?
You go to mass, swearing, doing everything against everything else.
Oh my God, you're the preacher now, are you?
Yeah.
As well as a nurse?
Yeah.
As well as a psychiatrist?
Yeah.
Can't take this anymore. That's a little fucking boy.